Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. It's me again, Azreenajihah. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know, I'm not in my room. This is my apa dekat garage sekarang ni. The reason why I want to vlog here is because I want to show you that, as you guys can read by the title, I have my own car officially here in KL. So I'm so excited. I've been keeping this secret for like a week, 2 weeks. And I can't wait to show you guys. It is finally here. Wait, let me just show you. By the way, this is a cake that my mom made. A red velvet cake for my cousins. So yeah, it stays here first. Let me just show you my car. Oh my god, I am so excited guys. It is finally here. Damn. Yeah man. Let's go. Let's put the barang. So good to be back in my car. I miss you, my red baby girl. So I'm gonna keep here first and then I'm going to masukkan barang kat dalam ni. So at the back here, I put my stuff. The Uniqlo bag is the items that I want to give for my cousins. And then the pink bag is my stuff. And beside me, I have the cake and my handbag. So let's go. Hopefully everything is fine. Let me just reset the radio first. So my radio pun is not working because of the frequency I didn't set yet. Just came out. I nak kena reset balik. Tapi I suka pakai Bluetooth, which is this one. Like this Bluetooth. I connect first and then reset the frequency apa semua and then we are good to go. So hi guys. Now I am officially in my car. I'm on my way to my cousin's house, but before that I just want to drop off my house keys to my parents at my rumah nenek I. So I'm gonna do that first and then we are going straight to Bangi to my cousin's place and we're going to surprise them. Hopefully everything's fine, everything is okay. Not awkward driving this car back again for like 3 months kot or 4 months macam tu. Almost 4 months tak drive this car, so hopefully everything's fine, no accident, no nothing. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit and yeah, bye bye. So I've already passed the house keys to my mom. Lama sikit lah tadi sebab I main dengan baby Iris. So now we are heading to Bangi straight. And yeah, hopefully everything's fine. This is my first time bawa this car in KL. Jalan jauh, so hopefully everything is okay, insyaAllah. So that macam tempat letak hold your phone. Sama duduk kat KL tapi I tak pernah tahu jalan KL. So I really need that ways to actually knows the navigation and everything kan. Sebab I don't know shit about this jalan dekat KL. This is like, jalan dia sangat complicated, so I really need it for my future reference. So dah nak sampai Southville City. We are here, almost there. Okay lah, perjalanan tadi okay je, alhamdulillah. Nothing's bad happened, so alhamdulillah, so grateful. Southville City. I'm almost there to my cousin's house. So we are going to do some reactions to my cousins because they also don't know that my car is already here, and the fact that they don't even tak pernah nampak pun kereta ni in real life. So I'm so excited for that because as you know, I am such a bougie cousin. Curious to see how they react of my car because they tak pernah lagi nampak. So this is the time. Can you guys appreciate my lips? Cantik tak? Sephora. I dah pernah pergi, cuma I dah macam lupa-lupa. Sekali je I pernah pergi rumah dia. So I tak minta waste apa semua sebab I don't know lol. Kalau sesat pun sesat lah. Who cares? But I think I ingat, cuma I macam lupa-lupa. But we will make it to the house. Finally here. Dah sampai dah dekat rumah diorang. Tengok apa diorang tengah buat. Ting ting ting. Ya Allah.
Wait! Wait, what the hell?
Yeay! Vlog menjadi.
McD.
None other than my cousin. Dia lah ni lah dia. Boleh TikTok.
Boleh TikTok.
Cepatlah. Oreo. Satu sundae chocolate.
Satu coklat.
Apa
Fries eh? Fries satu. Lebih.
Yang large punya
Ya, betul.
fries.
3 last fries.
Tu je.
3 ke 4?
Ya Allah, 3 ke 4 saja.
366,000 fries kosong.
Okay, thank you. Cepatlah je. Makan-makan.
Tak apa jadi.
Belajar. Pahal pula tu. Study guys, I have test tonight. So I guess this all in this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I know I've been keeping this secret for a long time, like for 2 weeks already or 3 weeks, to keep my mouth shut about my car. So my car is officially here and I'm so excited. So lepas ni bolehlah jalan using my car. I hope to see you guys on my next video. I need to study. I have test tonight. I'm at my cousin's place right now. Nampak macam lighting dia cantik. Alright, see you guys. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.